The PAD-mounted transformer is the cornerstone of modern, safe and reliable underground electrical distribution, engineered for performance and public safety. This compact, ground-level unit is designed to step down high voltage electricity to the usable levels required by residential neighborhoods, commercial centers, and industrial facilities. Unlike traditional pole-mounted transformers, its fully enclosed, tamper-resistant steel housing securely contains all live components, making it an ideal choice for areas where public accessibility is a concern. The robust design protects against environmental elements, vandalism, and accidental contact, ensuring uninterrupted service and enhanced safety for the community. A key advantage of the PAD-mounted transformer is its minimal footprint and aesthetic flexibility. It is discreetly installed on a concrete pad at ground level, easily blending into its surroundings or being screened with landscaping. This design not only preserves the visual appeal of an area, but also allows utility crews safe and easy access for maintenance and load management.